Elon Musk announces new $7,999 Tesla tiny house. Finally release, free land and tax. What's inside? It almost feels illegal that Tesla just dropped something this cheap and this disruptive. Elon Musk just pulled the curtain off a tiny house that costs less than a used scooter, and the timing couldn't be more insane. Let's break down what he's really planning. And here's where things immediately get wild. Tesla officially announced its new tiny house, and the starting price hits you like a punchline. $7,999. That's not a typo. Musk literally priced a home lower than some smartphones. The release window is set for 2026, though he's already hinting that timelines might slide a bit, staying safely before 2027. But the shock isn't the date, it's the ripple effect. A home this cheap, backed by Tesla, could detonate the real estate market as we know it. Imagine what that does to rents, builders, and cities. This part blew my mind because the motivation isn't some fantasy concept. It's grounded in the world we're all living in. Housing prices are ridiculous everywhere. Rents rising faster than paychecks, and owning a place feels like winning a lottery nobody told you about. Musk's angle? Build homes exactly like Tesla builds cars. Mass-produced, fast, precise, affordable. He wants tiny homes to roll off assembly lines, not construction sites. And this whole thing is laser-focused on young people and middle-income families who've been priced out for years. But wait, it gets even crazier once you see how it's built. Tesla isn't treating this like a house at all. It's basically a giant gadget. The entire unit is assembled inside the Fremont Gigafactory, surrounded by automated robotics cranking out components with near-zero error. Wiring installed, plumbing installed, ventilation already sealed into the frame. It rolls out almost like an oversized package. The idea is simple but bold. Your home shouldn't require months of construction. It should arrive nearly ready to live in. And here's where it gets even more insane. This little home isn't built like a cabin. It's built like a machine. Tesla is locked in a reinforced steel frame with concrete panels, EPS insulation, and composite sheets, all fused under a crushing 259,000 pounds of pressure. The entire module stretches 8.5 meters long and 4 meters wide, weighing about 5,250 pounds. And somehow, it still folds into a compact shipping block. Imagine receiving a whole house delivered like a giant briefcase. This part blew my mind. Musk didn't greenlight anything until he lived inside a boxable unit for 3 months straight. Only after stress testing it himself did he approve merging Boxable's folding housing tech directly into Tesla's version. So, the DNA of the Tesla tiny house is basically Boxable's efficiency mixed with Tesla's manufacturing discipline. It's like the crossover no one saw coming. Housing meets automotive precision. And honestly, it explains why this thing feels more like a product launch than real estate. But wait, this gets way more shocking. You can actually get one delivered in 1 to 2 weeks. It ships on a Tesla Semi or even a normal freight container, shows up folded flat, and then unfolds on site like some sci-fi origami. Within 1 to 3 hours, it's fully functional. Lights on, water running, climate control kicking in, no contractors crawling around, no weeks of chaos. It's basically plug-and-play housing. What would you even do first after watching your home unfold? And just when it seemed like it couldn't handle real-world conditions, Tesla added a twist. This thing is storm-resistant, flood-resistant, snow-resistant, basically built like it's expecting the apocalypse. The panels are waterproof, the frame is corrosion-protected, the roof supports heavy snow loads, and a smart drainage system keeps water moving where it should. It's the kind of durability you'd want in places where the weather changes its mood every 3 hours. Honestly, do you think tiny homes should be built this tough? Now here's where it gets surprisingly beautiful. Step inside, and the 280 square foot interior feels bigger than it has any right to. A 9.3-foot ceiling opens up the space. Huge 7.5-foot windows and doors pull in natural light. The home splits into 4 zones: living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, all smartly arranged. You get a sofa bed, a compact kitchen with an induction stove and dishwasher, a Murphy bed for flexibility, and a climate-controlled bathroom with ventilation. It feels like minimalist luxury packed into a tight footprint. And here's where the versatility jumps off the charts. The base unit fits 2 to 3 people, but the real magic is how it expands. Attach modules sideways, stack them vertically, build a 2 or even 3-story setup when the family grows. It's literally Lego-style housing for adults. Start small, add rooms when the budget allows, or build a backyard office later. Have you ever seen a home designed to grow with you like a subscription upgrade? And just when you think it's just a tiny house, Tesla tosses in off-grid freedom. Optional upgrades include a solar roof paired with a Powerwall, water tanks, rainwater harvesting, full filtration, grey water recycling, and a sealed waste system. It can run AC, an induction stove, and even charge an EV without touching the grid. Imagine living anywhere, desert edge, forest line, remote farmland, and still having the comforts of a modern apartment. Would you go off-grid if it felt this smooth? And here's where everything flips, because Tesla isn't just selling a house, they're removing the biggest financial headaches. No construction fees, no land tax, nothing dragging you down. On top of that, they're offering free land for 2 full years in select development zones. No complicated paperwork, no endless signatures. It's literally home-delivered and activated, almost like unboxing an iPhone. For anyone drowning in housing costs, this deal feels unreal. But it's exactly what makes the tiny house such a disruptor. This part feels almost surreal, because buying a home has never been this simple. You order it online, the same way you'd order a laptop. A Tesla Semi shows up, drops the tiny house at your location, technicians unfold it, inspect it, and within hours, you're moving in. No banks hovering, no 6-month construction timelines, no contractors ghosting you. It's the fastest housing process ever attempted, and it's designed to be so smooth that anyone could do it without stress. Imagine home ownership becoming this simple. And it all makes sense once you look at how Musk lives. He sold every mansion back in 2020, literally walked away from the billionaire lifestyle, and moved into a $40,000 boxable tiny home near SpaceX. He's been living small, eating simple, focusing on efficiency over excess. It's his way of sending a message. The future isn't built on luxury, it's built on practicality and smart design. The Tesla tiny house is basically him scaling that philosophy for everyone else who's tired of expensive living. Boxable, the company behind the folding home tech, isn't worried about anyone copying their idea. Their engineering is so precise and so difficult to replicate that most competitors can't even get close. That's part of why Musk picked them. Boxable's mission lines up with Tesla's obsession with manufacturing efficiency and solving global-scale problems. It's not just a partnership, it's 2 engineering-obsessed companies building a housing revolution together. They know others will try, but they're confident no one can match the tech. And here's the wildest theory floating around. This tiny house might be more than just a housing solution. It could be a Mars experiment. Musk has hinted that future Martian habitats need to be lightweight, modular, foldable, and easy to assemble. Boxable-style units fit that vision perfectly. And with Optimus robots advancing fast, Tesla could eventually send autonomous humanoids to set up entire housing modules on Mars before humans arrive. It sounds futuristic, but honestly, this tiny house feels like the first real step. And here's the part that really ties the Tesla tiny house to Musk's long game. Sustainability isn't a side feature, it's the entire backbone. The home uses eco-friendly materials, promotes a minimalist lifestyle, and pushes people toward lower waste and lower emissions. It's designed for those who want smaller footprints without sacrificing modern comfort. The whole tiny home movement fits perfectly into Musk's long-term vision of cutting global energy use while rethinking how much space people actually need to live comfortably. But to keep it real, this isn't some magical, flawless solution. It still needs maintenance, and like any compact space, insulation issues can pop up depending on the climate. Privacy is limited inside 280 square feet, and minimalism isn't optional. You have to commit. Tesla's housing division also isn't its main priority yet, which could slow updates. Scaling challenges like solar supply, Powerwall production, and specialized materials still remain. It's a breakthrough idea, sure, but not without real-world friction. And this part is honestly wild. After Musk casually revealed he'd been living in a boxable unit, the entire company was flooded with over 100,000 orders. People from all over the world jumped in, curious, desperate, or inspired by the idea of affordable, modular living. It showed a massive global hunger for simpler, cheaper housing options. And once Tesla stepped into the conversation, demand shot into a whole new dimension. It's rare to see a housing product go viral like this. Here's the grounded truth. Even though the excitement is huge, Tesla's priorities right now are EVs, full autonomy, and the Optimus robot. Housing isn't at the top of their production list, so rollout will likely move more slowly. But Tesla has a habit of slashing costs and speeding up once scaling kicks in. Realistically, the first true production-ready model could appear within 1 to 3 years. Not tomorrow, but not some distant fantasy either. It's coming, just gradually. At the end of the day, the Tesla tiny house stands as a symbol: innovation mixed with sustainability, ambition blended with practicality. It challenges everything we assume about housing and forces us to rethink what home should look like in the future. But the big question remains: will this become a real-world revolution or stay an ambitious dream? Either way, it pushes the conversation forward. And honestly, the future of homes might start with something this small.